Hi, third grade, it's Mrs. Roth with your reading lesson for Friday. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to keep reviewing main idea. So in this worksheet, we're looking at main idea and details, and the different paragraphs actually are talking about similar topics, but their main ideas are different. So you can see at the bottom, there are 4 options of titles. So your job is to match the title to the paragraph. Now they are similar, so you're going to have to look kind of carefully. So you will read each one, and then you will move the title to the box. Usually we would be able to cut these out and glue them on, but since it's on your iPad, I made it so that if you use the selector tool, which is right up here, the one that looks like a cursor, then you're going to be able to touch one of the boxes, you should be able to, and then you can move it to wherever you think it goes. And then when you let go, it'll stay there. You can do that with all 4 of them. So you can go ahead and use that tool. If you cannot get it to work, then go ahead and just write the answers in. That's no problem, but that can be an easy way to do it. So you're going to go ahead and read all 4 paragraphs, and then you will label them with the titles. So that's your first assignment for reading. And then you are going to go ahead and do your 3rd page of the 3rd grade times. So remember, we have the title page right here, the very front page of your newspaper. Then we have this page right here, extra, read all about my favorite 3rd grade memory. And the 3rd page is student gives advice to upcoming 3rd graders. So this is a page that would be read by 2nd graders, kids who are now in 2nd grade who are coming up to 3rd grade. So as you think about that, think of them as your audience. So I want you to write 2 different pieces of advice for the upcoming 3rd graders, and I'm going to put your sentence starters right here so you can see them. So the first thing I want you to write about is, in 3rd grade, you will learn about ... What's something you learned in 3rd grade for the very first time? Something that you didn't know until you got to 3rd grade. Maybe it's a skill that you learned in math, something we learned in reading. Maybe it's something you got to do in music. Whatever it might be, think about what happened in 3rd grade, what you learned about in 3rd grade, so that 2nd graders can have an idea of what to look forward to. Then the second piece of advice that you're going to give is down here. In 3rd grade, you get to. So think of something that maybe you never got to do until you got to 3rd grade. What makes being a 3rd grader so special? So think of something like that, and then go ahead and type it in here. And then I'd like you to put a picture to go along with each one of those. So just draw a quick picture there, just so that we can see your page come to life a little bit. Miss V will help you finish this 3rd grade times next Monday with the last page. And then at the very end of that, you'll be able to fill in these 3 little squares, page 2, page 3, and page 4. All right? Okay, that is all you need to do for reading today. Make sure that you include details in here just like you did on page 2. I'm excited to read your newspapers. Have an awesome Friday and a great weekend. Bye.